Hey there, SleepBetter fam. We know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to catch some Z's, but your allergies just won't let you sleep. That's why we've put together a list of 15 strategies for dealing with restless sleep due to allergies. Let's dive in. 1. Keep your windows closed. Keeping your windows closed is an essential step in preventing allergens from entering your bedroom. Pollen, dust, and other airborne allergens can easily find their way inside your home through an open window. If you are sensitive to pollen, it is best to keep your windows closed during the day when the pollen count is high. If you need fresh air, consider using a HEPA filter air purifier to clean the air in your room. 2. Invest in an air purifier. An air purifier is an effective way to remove allergens from the air, making it easier for you to breathe. A HEPA filter air purifier can capture airborne allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander. It is important to choose the right size air purifier for your room and keep it clean to ensure it is working effectively. 3. Change your pillowcases frequently. Your pillowcases can accumulate allergens over time, making it important to change them frequently. Pollen, dust, and other allergens can stick to your pillowcase, making it difficult to breathe while you sleep. It is recommended to wash your pillowcase in hot water to kill any allergens that may be present. If you have severe allergies, consider using allergen-proof pillowcases. 4. Try using a saline nasal spray before bed. Saline nasal sprays can help clear out your nasal passages, making it easier for you to breathe. These sprays are made of salt water and are safe to use regularly. They can help moisturize the nasal passages, reduce inflammation, and flush out allergens like pollen and dust. 5. Wash your sheets regularly. Washing your sheets regularly is essential in preventing allergens from sticking to your bedding. Allergens like dust mites and pet dander can accumulate on your sheets and make it difficult for you to breathe while you sleep. It is recommended to wash your sheets in hot water and use hypoallergenic laundry detergent to kill any allergens that may be present. 6. Try sleeping with a humidifier. A humidifier can add moisture to the air, making it easier for you to breathe. Dry air can irritate your nasal passages, making it difficult to breathe while you sleep. A humidifier can help alleviate symptoms of allergies like congestion, coughing, and sneezing. It is important to keep your humidifier clean to prevent mold and bacteria growth. 7. Avoid eating heavy meals before bed. Eating a heavy meal before bed can make it harder for you to sleep if you have allergies. Digesting food can increase your metabolism and cause your body to produce more histamine, a chemical that is released during allergic reactions. This can exacerbate allergy symptoms like sneezing, congestion, and itching. 8. Use a HEPA filter in your vacuum cleaner. Vacuuming can stir up dust and other allergens, making it important to use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. A HEPA filter can capture allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander, preventing them from being released back into the air. Make sure to vacuum regularly and keep your vacuum cleaner clean to ensure it is working effectively. 9. Avoid drinking alcohol before bed. Alcohol can exacerbate allergy symptoms and make it harder to sleep. Alcohol can cause nasal congestion, sneezing, and other allergy symptoms. If you have allergies, it is best to avoid alcohol before bed to prevent these symptoms from interrupting your sleep. 10. Try using allergy-friendly bedding. Allergy-friendly bedding is made of materials that are less likely to trigger allergic reactions. Hypoallergenic bedding is designed to repel allergens like dust mites and pet dander, making it easier for you to breathe while you sleep. Look for bedding made of materials like cotton, bamboo, or silk that are breathable and hypoallergenic. It is important to wash your bedding frequently to prevent allergens from accumulating. 11. Take a hot shower before bed. Taking a hot shower before bed can help clear out your sinuses and make it easier for you to breathe. The steam from the shower can moisturize your nasal passages, reducing inflammation and flushing out allergens. It is recommended to use a mild, fragrance-free soap to avoid irritating your skin. 12. Avoid using harsh chemicals in your bedroom. Harsh chemicals like cleaning products, air fresheners, and scented candles can irritate your allergies and make it harder to sleep. Opt for natural cleaning products and avoid using products with strong fragrances in your bedroom. 13. Try using an allergy-friendly laundry detergent. Allergy-friendly laundry detergent is designed to eliminate allergens like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander from your clothes and bedding. Look for laundry detergents that are fragrance-free and hypoallergenic to avoid irritating your skin. 14. Keep pets out of your bedroom. Pet dander is a common allergen that can make it difficult to breathe while you sleep. If you have pets, it is best to keep them out of your bedroom to prevent allergens from accumulating. Consider washing your pet regularly to reduce the amount of dander they produce. 15. Consider seeing an allergist. If your allergies are severe, it may be helpful to see an allergist. An allergist can help you identify the specific allergens that are causing your symptoms and develop a treatment plan to manage them. They may recommend allergy shots, medication, or other treatments to alleviate your symptoms and help you sleep better. And there you have it, 15 strategies for dealing with restless sleep due to allergies. Try them out and let us know which ones work best for you. Don't forget to download our free sleep resource in the video description for even more tips on getting a better night's sleep.